They're having, because mommy doesn't drink tea, he said coffee. They're having a coffee party.
I think Ai wants to join the tea party.
What?
Oh.
Mommy, see.
See, Silly Elf is holding the
Teapot. Oh, see? You want to join the tea party? Yes.
Why you guys didn't invite me? Yung mukha niyo. You guys didn't invite me.
Okay, here, you sit down now. So you join the tea party.
Yeah, I see the elf.
Yeah.
Show me, see the elf.
Ate Zoe.
What are you doing? Tell Ate Zoe.
I is Zoe. I is Zoe.
Oh.
I is Zoe.
Oh.
I gotta see the elf.
Oh. They're doing what?
I got tea.
Tea party.
They're having cakes and tea. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at Elmo doesn't drink tea. He's having grape juice.
Yeah.
And Poppy. Poppy is having orange juice. Oh.
They're probably drinking coffee. You're right, Raika. Maybe coffee.
Coffee.
Okay, we'll return now.
Meron siya sa body niya din eh.
Oh, yun yung hinihingi niya sa akin ng umaga. Sabi niya, itchy cream.
Ano? Pagkagabi na ano pa kasi kami, nag-greens pa kami sa labas. And ako din nakakagat. Di ka kinagat?
Hindi.
Ay, bakit kami tatlo lang? Bakit?
Ayan. Bye, Silly Elf.
What if I put it?
Yeah, we put it back. We put him back on the tree.
Mommy, I put the apple juice and got it orange baby.
Okay.
Mommy,
Silly
I
Elf,
put
Ate
the
Sil.
apple juice and got it cooking.
Okay, I put it in the kitchen. In the cupboard. Okay, what breakfast do you want? Wheat Bix or Nutri-Grain?
Ay, meron siya pay, toy card, yung credit card niya.
Oh.
Sabi ko, Reka, you can do shopping later. Tapos
Oh,
sabi
Auntie
niya,
Jackie asked, what do you want for Christmas?
My little apple and it got it white and green.
Ay, na lang, light mo yung makipapabili ate yung tita mo. What for ate?
Mommy, a green nap. Mommy, I want a green nap.
Okay.
Oh, mommy, what?
Ano sabi niya?
tapos
Mag-shopping
sabi
siya.
niya, grocery daw siya. Sinabi niya lahat ng favorite niyang food. Strawberry, Wheat Bix, lahat, kokoya. Tapos sabi niya, rice. Oh yeah, don't forget the rice. Tapos yung
Riker have a
Tapos
fake
yung
credit.
yung
You know his
pinaka-sweet-
toy credit card.
Yung pinaka-sweet na sinabi niya is, and is gift from Santa.
Oh.
I was like, that is so
He
sweet.
thinks about Ai.
He thinks
Kasi
about
tita said,
Ai.
"Oy."
Pagkagising.
Pagising niya, nag-aral ka agad yan. Nag-aral siya kaagad.
Nakaka-amaze ka, Zoe.
What? Does Riker have airplane? Lightning McQueen cars? What do you want for Christmas, baby? You have to share to Ate. It's Ate's toy. Remember, Riker?
It's pizza.
But she wants Poppy.
I don't know what's pizza.
Aww. See? It's her toys, May. It's like your airplane to her. She doesn't...
Yo.
Riker.
Yo.
Riker, it's her toys. Do you want me to get your airplane?
No.
Because it's Ate's choice.
Yo.
Or you give her Poppy, you can have Biba. Ay, nako. Riker.
Yo.
Daddy, can you tell Riker off? He's snatching Holly's toy.
Can you do what Mummy says, please? Very important. Thank you, Riker Flynn. I love you, Riker Flynn.
Ay, Diyos ko, tingnan niyo yung itsura ng playroom, guys. Good luck sa cleaner mamaya. Ay, naku. Pero tinatidy up ko naman yung toys nila para makalinis sila na maayos. So, maya-maya. I-tidy up natin yan. Maaga pa naman. So, I'm here at the grocery with Holly. Yeah, 2 garlics. So, yung tagalagay ko sa cart. Ay, you can put it in the bag, baby. Thank you, ate. Get croissant. 1. Maybe just 1. Harley's such a good helper. Thank you, ate. Now we'll get some yogurt. You love yogurt now, hey? Yeah. Harley, look, we'll get daddy's ice cream. Hindi. We'll get one of these. Ooh. Put it in the cart. Naka-sale siya. And this one? Ayan. Bumili na rin kami ng mga paper cups and paper plates and balloons. Si ate. Si Riker gising na. What do you mean? You already had some? Let's go, beautiful girl. And we're off to Grandma's, guys. It's already 4 p.m. Magkakabitan kasi maliligo ang tatlo. Sila lang yung maliligo. Rika, are you gonna swim with ate? 2 ates?
Might be cold though.
Huh?
Pool takes already out.
Oh.
It might be cold. Just check it out.
Hindi kasi heated yung pool ni mom eh. Pero, well, they'll check it out. If you jump and then you get refreshed naman kasi it's hot. Huh? Zoe will say if it's cold. Yeah, kasi sa Christmas Eve, family dun kami sa bahay namin. Punta yung mga kapatid ni Ben. So, si mom. And then Christmas Day will be at Emma's place. So, ano rin, family din on Christmas Day.
What time's Sunday? What time are they coming?
5.
Yes.
We're here at Grandma's, guys.
Thank you, Rika. Sharing with IE.
No, I think he's empty.
No, there's a carrot.
There's a carrot. Of course, he's not interested in the
She
carrot.
gave IE the carrot.
Ayan, magsuswimming ang kids dito and si Ate Zoe and Grandma. Oh, Daddy, you have to get some towels, ne? 3 towels.
Mommy.
People coming now.
Okay, ready? And go!
Put it on again.
Woo!
You know how to swim.
It's nice?
It'll be a little bit cool, but it's not.
Yeah, I told her just to jump in, so if you go slowly, then it's colder.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Go, Ai. Go, Rika.
Go, Rika. Ate, dali mo siya sa stairs. She wants to go to the stairs.
Careful.
Ay, si Grandma nandun. Lusob na din.
So cold. It's hot.
It is hot. Ayaw siya lumakad. You have to put your shoes first. And then you take off your shoes there. Rika, you put your tongs on.
When you get used to it, it's fine.
Okay.
And then you walk near the stairs and you take it off from there.
Yesterday they had a heated pool, I suppose. Did they?
Yeah.
Yesterday's pool heated. Yeah, mine's not heated. That's why it takes 2 days like this.
Yeah.
though,
Yeah.
to heat up. But it's fine.
I think his is solar heated.
Yes. Now once you get used to this.
And then you take it up there, baby, near the stairs. There you go. Yeah.
Come on. You taking shoes off?
Yeah.
It's okay, just slide it out. So you don't even need blockhead on them now because it's cloudy and it's
Yeah, but I put just in case.
shade. Come on.
Oo, bumaba nga yung tubig. Ang bilis.
Ang bilis, diba?
Okay, come here. Right here. Not there, downstairs. You can put that in here. In there.
Nagdi-drain si Lola niya ng water. Nag-drain nga, oh. Kanina mo yung tubig. Muntik na maubos. Parang bathtub lab. Ang bilis ma-drain.
Bubble.
Lali, it is. It drains so quick, ma'am.
Jump.
Tingnan mo, pasaway si Riker Flynn, oh. Pasaway talaga siya, oh. Dalawa talaga siyang puyo. Puyo mo talaga, dalawa. Kakaloka ka. Pasaway. Tingnan mo, no. Kakagigil.
It's not funny at all, Riker, right now.
Hey, oh, she's swimming, Riker.
Ae.
Put it back to the original.
Siya, nangaasar lang siya kay Ate Zoe niya. Uy, nakakagigil.
Back to the
Si Don Riker na high blood na sa B. Splash na lang yung base. See, that's why you gotta learn how to swim, Raika. Look at ate. Good job, Riker.
Want to get the ball?
Nag-i-snacking na si Riker Flynn. Kawawa, namaga na yung kagat niya kagabi. You're done? Oh my God. Yan, dinner na kami guys. Salad, potato salad, chicken, and some. Anto, pastrami daw. Tsaka ham. Si Riker ito kumakain na, nagbanlaw na siya eh. Good job, Riker.
Mommy, I thought him daddy now.
Pardon? Yeah, Daddy is just dressing Holly. Then, Holly can have dinner. Then you can have your dessert, okay?
I eat dinner of ice cream.
Yeah, after you eat your dinner, you can have ice cream. Try the ham.
Yummy. Yummy.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's yummy ham.
One good thing about the pool, it usually gives them an appetite.
Hopefully.
They usually
You're always hungry after the food.
Tinan mo yung top rubber ni Mother, parang yung sabi natin.
Yes. That's my phone.
Iya, din
Oh, okay. Tea time. You're so fresh. Tea time.
just put them in the thing and I'll hang them out tomorrow.
Yes, Grandma.
Harley, here's your dinner.
Sarap ng potato salad.
I like the potato salad.
Shall we?
I haven't made it since last summer.
Honey.
Malasa, no?
Yeah.
It's very tasty, ma'am. The potato, I always
It
like your
is, isn't
potato
it?
salad.
Yeah.
So they can have ice cream after dinner. You finish your dinner.
I've only got the plain ice cream. I haven't got any ice cream.
Which one? The vanilla one? Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah. Hey guys, magsisimbang gabi pala kami. So, dito na kami sa church. Ito pa rin yung suit ko. At tayo nagpalit. Si Madam. Tapos na yung mesa guys. Ang cute, may pa ice candy and buchi ba to? And may pa ube. Ang dami Pilipino. Ayan, pagkatapos magsimba, dito kami sa hot spicy chicken.
Kitchen. Spicy chicken na. Kitchen.
So, nai-recommend to ni Ate Ruby. Uhaw na. Kanina pa. Nag-hot pot kami dito. May hot pot sila. Ano yung order mo? Hindi yung guys. Black beans. Pag malaki yun. I-take out mo yan. May ulam ka na bukas. May masarap malamig. I-shake siya. Yan, malapit na yung simbahan. Pero iba-iba pala yung simbahan sa simbang gabi dito. So, bukas sa Glenelg. Yan, kasi susundan mo yung pare. Pero iba-iba rin yung pare, no? So, pag tonight is, English siya. Ano siya, ibang lahi. Ay, English siya. Pero yung English na yun yung may Tagalog. Pero normally, iisa lang ba yung pare kapag simbang gabi? Yan, susundan mo nga lang sa di ba kung saan church? Yan yung in order ni Ella. black bean, ano? Beef.
Pepper. Beef.
Ang sarap, no? Oh, ang sarap ng ulam. Makikain kami sa'yo bukas. Guys, ang laki ng bowl.
Malak sa bang beef.
Para pang 5 tao to. Anyway, para siyang laksa yung kulay niya din.
Para pang pamilya.
Oo, no? Ang laki. Nilagyan ko yan ng noodles eh. Kain tayo.
You have to mix it muna ata. Yan. Lagyan mo ng cabbage, sitaw. Spicy ba hindi?
Ito mo na sa loob. Medyo.